Welcome to Nature's Remedy Quiz. Discover the natural herbs that heal your body, calm your mind, and power your health, all from nature itself. Which root helps boost physical energy and stamina? It's ginseng. What natural product coats the throat and soothes cough? It's honey. What kitchen ingredient aids in liver detox? It's lemon. Which herb helps ease menstrual cramps? It's raspberry leaf. What natural remedy can reduce acne and skin inflammation? It's tea tree oil. Which drink supports kidney function and is rich in antioxidants? It's nettle tea. Which spice is used to improve heart health and blood circulation? It's garlic. What herb is known to calm the nerves and reduce anxiety? It's lemon balm. Which drink can naturally hydrate and provide electrolytes? It's coconut water. What oil is used to relieve muscle and joint pain? It's castor oil. What herb is effective in relieving mild depression and anxiety? It's St. John wort. Which spice helps relieve bloating and indigestion? It's fennel. What root helps balance hormones in women? Maca root. Thanks for joining the Natural Remedy Quiz. We hope you discovered some powerful healing tips today. If you'd like to learn how to prepare these remedies step by step, drop us a comment and we'll send it your way. Stay curious, stay natural, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness wisdom.